step when we fall in love.
The digestive system begins at the esophagus. The esophagus is a tube that connects the pharynx to the stomach. It carries swallowed masses of chewed food along its length. After passing through the esophagus, food enters the stomach. That is a storage for the food, and it uses enzymes to digest the food that began in the mouth. After the stomach, the liver begins. It has many different functions in the digestive system, but what it does is it produces bile and its secretion into the small intestine. Then comes the gallbladder. The gallbladder is located just under the liver. It is used to store and recycle excess bile from the small intestine, so it can be reused for digestion. Next is the pancreas, which is a gland located just below the stomach, and its main job is to secrete digestive enzymes into the small intestine to complete the chemical digestion of foods. Next comes the small intestine, which is a long and thin tube, which is coiled like a hose and full of many ridges and folds. These folds help to maximize the digestion of food and absorption of nutrients. After passing through the small intestine, food enters the large intestine, which is a long but thick tube, which is located right below the stomach and wraps around the small intestine. The large intestine absorbs water and contains bacteria that break down waste and extract some nutrients. And finally, the body removes this now nutritionless food through either the anus or rectum, depending on whether it is feces or urine.
I know there's nothing more that we can want but to crawl, but to step, but to fall as